Hey everybody, and welcome back to Wilder Minds. On this week's episode, we're going to be talking about the world's most southerly living animals. These are the species which have to withstand some of the harshest conditions on planet Earth, and are some of the animal kingdom's most remarkable. Starting with the mammals, let me introduce you to the Weddell seal. These 3-meter marine predators are found around Antarctica and the southern oceans, and they are able to survive in these polar conditions thanks to a thick layer of blubber that sits directly below their skin. Moving on to the birds, we have the South Polar skua. The skuas are a group of seabirds that are often known as the pirates of the sea, and they are given this name because they often steal the food of other seabirds. And although that behaviour isn't really ethical, it's actually very opportunistic, and in the harsh conditions of Antarctica, it can be invaluable to these birds, and allows them to save the energy of hunting themselves. Moving on to the cold-blooded, we have our reptile and amphibian. The Magellanic iguana and the Patagonian toad are found in the Tierra del Fuego region of Chile and Argentina. And despite not having warm blood like us mammals, they are more than capable to survive in the cold regions of South America. When it comes to fish, there are many contenders for the southernmost living. So I'm just going to pick one in particular, the crocodile fish. This family can be found in the cold waters of the southern oceans, primarily around Antarctica, and they have one very unique characteristic. Their blood is transparent. Blood comes in many different colours across the animal kingdom, including red, blue, and even green. And the reason as to why these crocodile fish have transparent blood is because they lack hemoglobin and red blood cells, giving this fish an iconic biology. The crocodile icefish are truly remarkable. And last, but by no means least, we have our insect. As far as we know, the insect fauna of Antarctica seems to just number one species, the Antarctic midge. This tiny fly is actually wingless, and this is simply an adaptation to not being blown away. Getting all the nutrients it needs by feeding on terrestrial algae and mosses, the midge collects sugars in its body, and these act as an antifreeze, dehydrating itself so that cell-rupturing ice crystals are unable to form. Just how remarkable is that? If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe, and keep an eye on my social media for what next week's episode is going to be about. Thank you very much for watching.